In a bustling city, where towering buildings dwarfed the smallest creatures, lived a sparrow named Sparrowella. She was small, but her spirit was mighty. One day, Sparrowella found herself trapped in a net, unable to fly away. A young girl named Amelia saw her plight and felt a pang of sympathy. "Why don't you just fly higher next time?" Amelia asked, not realizing the net was just a stray from a nearby market. Sparrowella, though trapped, didn't lash out. Instead, she replied, "Not all problems can be solved by just flying higher." Amelia was puzzled. "What do you mean?" she asked. Sparrowella explained, "Sometimes, understanding the root of the problem is the key to finding a solution. And sometimes, it's not about escaping, but learning to adapt." Amelia looked at the sparrow, then back at the net. She realized Sparrowella was right. She carefully untangled the net and set the sparrow free. From that day forward, Amelia began to see the world differently. She learned that not every problem could be solved by running away or ignoring it. Sometimes, the solution lay in understanding and adapting. And Sparrowella, though she was a small bird, taught a big lesson that day. A lesson about wisdom, resilience, and the power of understanding.